In this video, I will show you two ways to download and install Showmax on your LG Smart TV. For the first method, I'll be showing you how to get it from the LG App Store or Content Store, and alternatively, if you've been unable to get the Showmax app, absolutely, I'll be showing you an alternative way that can still help you get the app without any issue. So first things first, to get the Showmax app, you want to go over to the LG App Store, which is basically this app over here, labeled apps. So just scroll horizontally until you get to this app over here. Go ahead and open it up. And at this point, you want to head over to the top search bar at the top of your LG Smart TV. So just hover to the top and then click on this search icon over here. Now you want to go ahead and search for Showmax. And even before I finish typing, you can literally see the Showmax suggestion over here. So I'll just go ahead and select it just like so. And automatically, under the list of apps over here, you can literally see the Showmax app. So go ahead and press on the OK button or select button. And from here, you just want to go ahead and press on OK again. And automatically, the Showmax app will start downloading and installing into your LG Smart TV. Now, once it is done downloading, you can go ahead and open it up by just clicking on the launch button over here. And now we have Showmax running smoothly on our LG Smart TV. Also, if you come over to the home of your LG Smart TV and then just scroll down to this list of apps, you're going to find the Showmax app on the list of apps over here on our LG Smart TV. Now, for the second method of getting the Showmax app on your LG Smart TV, if you've been unable to get it from the LG App Store or Content Store of your LG Smart TV, what you can actually do is to go ahead and update your LG software and firmware, and alternatively, you can actually just go ahead and change your location of your LG Smart TV to a country where the Showmax app is actually allowed. So head over to the settings of your LG Smart TV from the top over here, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the settings icon. Now you want to scroll down until you get to all settings over here, click on it, and from here you also want to scroll down until you get to general, click on general. Now come over to system settings over here, and then you want to go ahead and change your location to any country where the Showmax app is actually allowed. So go ahead and change your LG service location to South Africa, for instance, and automatically your LG Smart TV will reboot itself and come with the Showmax app. Now if that does not work out for you, another thing you can actually do is to just go over to support, and from support you want to go ahead and click on software updates over here, and from here you want to go ahead and check if there is actually any update that has not been done on your LG Smart TV. If there is an update, it is going to show over here, but if there is no updates, then you're going to see that there is actually no update that is found. So go ahead and update your LG Smart TV, and trust me, it is going to come with the Showmax app in the newer version. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.